Hello, in this lecture, we will discuss about human digestive system. All the living organism requires energy for survival and this energy is gained from food substances. Next, what is the definition of digestion? The complex substances is broken into simpler substances which is known as the digestion. Digestion is carried out by our digestive system. Next is process of digestion. The process of digestion is complete into 5 steps. First step is ingestion. In this step, food is entered into digestive pathways. Next, second step is digestion. In this step, complex food is broken into simpler ones for the easy absorption. Third step is absorption. Digestive food is absorbed by blood vessels. Fourth step is assimilation. In this step, absorbed food is utilized by the cells for the energy production. Last step is digestion. In this step, undigested food is eliminated through the body. This is all about digestive process. Next, human digestive system. The human digestive system is consist of alimentary canal and digestive gland. You can see in this diagram alimentary canal, salivary glands, pancreas and liver. The alimentary canal starts from mouth and extend to anus. Alimentary canal is a long tube-like structure. Next, structure of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal starts from mouth. The first part is mouth. Mouth is help in the ingestion of food. Mouth open into buccal cavity. In buccal cavity, teeth, salivary glands and tongue present. Teeth help in tearing and grinding of food. Second, salivary gland. It secretes saliva which is help in carbohydrate digestion. Starch with the help of saliva convert into glucose. Next, third structure is tongue. It is a muscular organ present in the buccal cavity. It helps in food tasting and rolling of food. It also helps in the push down of the food into the esophagus. Second structure is esophagus. You can see in this diagram, esophagus is a long tubular structure. In the esophagus, fermentary movement is done. By this movement, food is passed out into a stomach. Next structure is the stomach. You can see parasitic movement in the esophagus. Next, stomach. Stomach is a broad bag-like muscular organ or in J shape. In stomach wall, different type digestive glands present, which is known as the gastric gland. Gastric gland secrete gastric juice. Different type glands present in stomach wall. You can see this diagram. Next part is small intestine. Small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal. It is the site for complete digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fat. It is also the main site of the absorption of the carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals, etc. It has villi, finger-like structure. You can see in this diagram, which help in the absorption of food into the blood. This is finger-like structure, which is known as villi. In villi, blood vessels and lacteal are present. Digestive substances absorbs into the villi, which is transported into the blood through villi, where cells break down broken glucose and produce energy. Next, last part of the alimentary canal is large intestine. Large intestine help in the absorption of excess water. It has also help in the absorption of minerals. Mainly large intestine is divided into three parts. First is cecum, second is colon, third is rectum. In rectum, undigested food is stored for the sometimes for the अपन कह सकते short time, and rectum open into the anus. Through anus, undigested food is eliminated. This is all about the human digestive system.